How to make a poll on Discord easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how you can make a simple poll on Discord. So all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open your web browser, and then you're just going to go ahead and in your URL section, you're going to type in top.gg. Once you type in top.gg, this website will open, and over here, you're just going to search for simple poll. So once you have searched for simple poll over here, you're just going to go ahead and add this one over here. So you're going to click on invite, and you're just going to choose the server that you want to add it to. You're going to continue and authorize and add this poll, and then you're going to verify that you are a human, just like that. And just like that, our bot has been added. So simple poll has just been added, and now you can actually go ahead and begin to create polls on your actual Discord server. So you're going to click on add to server, and then you can add any other server that you might want to add it to as well. And then you're just going to verify. So now you can see I have added simple poll into 2 servers, and to now begin adding a simple poll, I can just go ahead in my typing section and I'm going to do the slash command, and then you're just going to type in poll. And once you do that, you can click on over here and enter your question. And just like that, you can have your poll created. So that was it for today, and I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.